Guys, welcome back to our channel. We are down in Tulum in Mexico. We've got this incredible Airbnb with this really cute little oasis-y, courtyardy vibe going on. So I wanted to do a pool shoot because we need to take advantage of this awesome pool. But we've lost a little bit of light because we kind of wasted some time today drinking wine. And now we're gonna have to use some artificial light so that it looks pretty on my face.
It's cold.
A little bit. I'll get used to it though.
Of course you will. You spent 3 hours in it yesterday. Just do it quickly. It's like you either walk in slowly or you just jump. Yeah. How's that?
It's alright, it's a bit cold.
I'm sweating like a pig and you're cold.
We'll get used to it.
You'll get used to it.
Yep.
All right. So we have this lovely location and I wanted to get a killer picture of Beck in the pool. So I've just set up, we're just using natural light. We've lost a little bit of bounce I thought we were going to get because we spent too much time drinking wine. And I'm just setting up in viewfinder my shot. Like, I'm trying not to get any of the ledge in the shot. I just wanted to more get Beck in there. Oh, I might have to go on my 50mm. It's like that or I've got to go in the door. I'll see what I can get. So this is just me talking out loud what I'm thinking. I'm just keep bringing I'm on a 75mm at the moment. The lighting is horrible on Beck's face. Yeah, I'm thinking about going on to 50mm anyway. I think I can't get the shot I want to get. All right, oh that's cool. I've got heaps of room on this. I'm at 800 ISO to 125th. I'm just rolling on my Aperture to see my picture. I'm just gonna check. But I don't like the lighting at all. The lighting's flugly. So I'm just gonna take a picture of flugly lighting. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's get a focus. I don't like shooting like this. I'm gonna stick the eye in the viewfinder. It's weird, on workshops I've been doing this thing like setting up using the back of the camera and it's not how it works. It's like iPhone photography and I don't like it. Cool. We've got catch light in the eyes. Checking our tethers worked. And yeah, you'll see this picture, it's not pretty at all. I mean, it's beautiful scenery, but this is not pretty. So I'm playing with this light. Like, we're not sponsored, 100% not. I ordered this actually through them. They were so freaking slow to ship it, I cancelled my order, and then when I was in New York, bought it from B&H. So if I'm going to talk shit about this company, it means that I'm definitely not being sponsored, but I do like the fact that this tiny little light. All right, so I haven't even fine-tuned this, just turned it on and wound in some power, and I just want to show you the difference of this shot I haven't changed any of my camera settings, and you'll see how much that's filled in all the fugliness of Beck. I'm just now sliding the light to light her, so into me. Looks quite nice. Cool. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. They've got a grid that comes on this. I'm a bit tempted to put the grid on to only bring it onto her face more, or I can maybe just tilt this light up a little bit. Let's just drop this. I'm gonna drop this lower so we don't have the big shadow under her chin. And we're not shooting the ground, so I'm gonna slowly tilt it down a little bit. A white towel would have been great, and a white sheet would have been great, but this Airbnb doesn't have white sheets. Is this light too bright for you yet?
No, it's all right.
Oh, let's push it to 100%. I'm just gonna see what I get there. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. It's looking nice. So now I'm just turning up and down the light by moving it. That's really cool. So this is not looking natural at all, but I'm more after a beautiful picture than so much a natural look. It's really pretty, cool. That's nicer. All right, so some people are going to say, what about the shadow under the chin? If we were to pretend this was a full sun coming in from sun, we're going to get that same type of shadow. I'm just more after, I really don't care that this doesn't look natural. I'm more caring of a really, really pretty picture of Beck. It's really cool. And that's all I'm looking at, is getting a nice lighting. Maybe I should try. With my eyes, I really like, I'm not loving it as much Maybe I need more, oh, there we go. Pump that up a bit, that's really cool, that's really cool. That's nicer. Yeah, it's a little bit underexposed, that wasn't part of my problem. And what I can do is I can change my shadow. So the best thing with lights is the shadow will, wherever you put it in relationship to your camera, it'll cast the shadow that way. Because Beck's favourite side of her, that's cool, that's really cool. It's really pretty. Just going off on her wrist, but my warnings are set at 240. Yeah, it's cool. So now it's just a matter of me deciding, do I like that light or that light? And I prefer that one. I like that one better. I'm just wondering, should I... We've got 1 bar. I'm about to lose power. I can always plug it into power. Don't have an extension cord though. Oh, but I have V-Lock batteries. Look at me go. Let's flatten this battery. Let's see if we get a couple of shots and flatten this battery. Cool, that's really pretty. I don't know if, I think you need to just dip the very end of the tips of your hair just in the water to get that rat tail-y thing. Does that make sense? I'm killing this light for a second because I'm going to just set up, get 2 other things in here. Just getting ready for when the battery does die. All right, so one of the good things about these sort of lights, yeah, that'll work, is I can put a little V-lock. I can drop a little, I'm just using a little small rig V-lock. I like them because it's so small. And I've got D-tap. Yeah, heaps of different brands, stuff I'm using. Maybe I'll get back to do some work and put all the links. So this little Condor Blue, unsponsored, 65 watts. So I can't pull the full power of this. So once this dies, unless I can double power it. What settings have we got in under here? Oh, we have USB-C. And we've got a knob that's in the way. I've got that in. All right, so that means I should be able to double power it. So this, I'm using the battery on the Mollis and I'm also using the little small rig. All I can say is I hope this light works, because if not, I've just wasted 5 minutes of my day. If anything is a little bit annoying, I would have liked some type of connection on this so I could put an umbrella, but I have to put their Bowen's connection, umbrella holder connection thing on this to now be able to put an umbrella on this. And now I can power this with the power supply that's supplied with it, but we don't have an extension cord because we're in an Airbnb and we're on Mexican power, not Australian power points. All right, cool. So that with that. Let's get an umbrella in here. Ooh, we got lots of power now. So I can come down on about 70%. Let's see what we get on this. Oh, that looks much nicer. I'm liking it so much prettier. Now we have lost more ambient light now because it's getting later. Oh, it's so much prettier. Cool, cool. So we can do a comparison. It's not showing it in the photo, but in my eyes I'm liking it better. I'm liking the shadow softer under Beck's chin. That's it, cool. Let's see what we've got. That's right on the edge of our exposing. I think I'm liking. So all I'm doing is lifting the light up higher. I want to get it a little bit more in line with my camera. Can I have your face? Oh, sorry, I'm keeping you awake, am I? Oh my God. The preciousness of this person. I'm just looking at the fall off of my shadow. I'm just trying there. Now it's brought the light up a lot more. Just use Aperture to bring that down. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. I'm liking this a lot. All right, girl, my battery's about to go flat on the RX. You've got 5 frames to nail it. Pressure on. No, you got heaps of frames to nail it.
Is my hair better with it ready?
Definitely better.
Do you want more? Or?
A little bit. It'd be nice if you sort of got a bit more wet. What about, can you drop down so the wetness is on your body? Don't get all your hair under, but just do a drop down to neck deep or something. Hold your hair up so it's, oh, this is going to be fun to watch. You better hurry up, this is about to go flat. You hold and close your eyes. You literally close your eyes to go to here. Oh my God.
I need to do more. I can do another dunk.
You can do another dunk.
I don't want my hands wet.
Yeah, I didn't ask you to put your hands under water. That's so much better. Yeah, it's heaps better. I just want to get a little bit of that glistening off your skin, and it's weird as someone being in the pool and not be wet. You follow? You're doing everything against a wetsuit. You're just going to leave it hang like a mop on one side of your body. Put it behind your head. Let it, that's better. Now let it,
Bring it around?
just bring it around however it falls. That's cool. Yeah, it's much better. That's really cool. That's really pretty. Cool. So now for me to get my shot, I need Beck on board with me. Cool, cool. That's really pretty. Cool. So I don't need to see these shots anymore. I've got my exposure in through the camera so Beck can see them.
I don't like that.
You don't like what?
Chunk of hair.
And we'll take the chunk off your hair. Just move it behind. You've still got a lump on your... You'll see the pictures. You just adjust as you see the pictures. Cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's better. That's cool. I like that a lot. Cool, cool. That's really pretty. Stunning. You happy with how it's looking?
I think so.
You think so?
I think.
That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool, cool. Cool. I'm just going to try some super shallow depth of field. So at the moment I'm 800 ISO. I only go fully wide open on 75mm and a fully wide open to 1.4. Just so you can see the difference. Now the background's going to bokeh out so much more. Oh yeah, no, I'm definitely liking that. That's really pretty. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. Where are you? Who are you looking at? Yeah, this is no work. You can't say you're in Mexico. You're supposed to say somewhere exotic. Oh, that didn't work. A failure. All right, cool. That's pretty. That's really pretty. So all I'm trying to do is just, this is really, really pretty. Beck's really, really pretty, but I'm trying to just get that hero shot. I'm trying to get the album cover, and I just want those eyes. Do something with your legs, do something with your hands that make you not stick your foot out of the water. Oh my God. 4 weeks on the road. All right. Do something that makes you feel something. I don't care what you call. That's really cool. That's much better. Yeah, I think you must have been sitting there with slightly crossed legs or some silly quirkiness of you. That's so much better. Whatever you're doing now, it's coming into your face, and that's what I want. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool, cool. And again, we'd normally be doing this with music, but someone suggested we use royalty-free music, and it don't work. If you've never heard the song before, it's not emotive.
Royalty-free is not normally that great.
No, no, cool. And then she hates it, so it doesn't matter. O's, we lost our powers. All right, I flattened it. Oh, both this has just died too. Everything's dying.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, I'll throw up some other travel videos on the screen now.